ducklings waddled out one day. Over the hill and far away, Mother Duck called, "Quack, quack, quack, quack," but only 4 little ducklings came waddling back. 4 little ducklings splashed in the lake, giggling at the ripples they'd make. Mother Duck cried, "Quack, quack, quack, quack," but only 3 little ducklings hurried back. 3 little ducklings chased dragonflies, soaring low beneath the skies. Mother Duck sighed, "Quack, quack, quack, quack," but only 2 little ducklings scurried back. 2 little ducklings found crumbs in the grass, pecking crumbs as the sun slipped past. Mother Duck groaned, "Quack, quack, quack, quack," but only 1 little duckling stumbled back. 1 little duckling paddled alone, tiny wings flapping, "I'll find my way home." Mother Duck sobbed, "Quack, quack, quack, quack," but no little ducklings waddled back. Sad Mother Duck marched out that night, her feathers puffed up in the moonlight. She quacked so loud the whole flock came. 5 ducklings trailed her whispering, "Sorry, we played. Sorry, we played."